Alright everyone, Toyo back here again, bringing you a closer look to the Hot Toys Iron Man Mark 5 Suit Up version figure. As always, please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Marvel and Hot Toys videos. First things first, you only get the amazing suitcase from the deluxe version and it's able to articulate for the extremely small parts, and I wouldn't imagine a lot of people will be happy to have this particular figure without this piece of stunning accessory. For the figure itself, Tony Stark's head looks amazing, and there's also the wound on his right cheek during the racing scene, and we definitely haven't seen him with this kind of hairstyle for a very long time too. In terms of the suit, I was surprised that Hot Toys decided to make a suit version of this figure. Does that hint that there's something down the line they'll be able to do more of these suit up version in the coming future? If so, I'm most definitely looking forward to the Mark 7 scene from the first Avengers movie. Let's get back to the Mark 5 suit. This particular figure shows you in greater depth of the layers upon layers of mechanics, especially for the shoulder area, where you can even see the tiniest details with the wire that appear on the arms area, and these details just look spectacular. You can even see the different types and colors of wires they've used for the suit. In terms of the legs, the various parts open up as well, such as the shin and thigh areas, and this really complements well with the meticulous details for the top half of the body. You can remove the armor to have Tony in his racing suit alone, but unfortunately Hot Toys did not display it at the store, so I can't comment whether they've made further improvements there, but you do get a glimpse of the blue racing suit underneath the transforming Mark 5 suit. You can also check out my videos with the different Hot Toys stores I visited in the link down below. I hope this video has helped you out better in making your purchasing decision, as there are tons of details for the figure and I try to capture all of it at the store for you guys. And as always, please remember to like the like button as well as subscribe to my channel for more Marvel and Hot Toys videos. Thank you very much again for watching, and I hope to see you guys again next time.